Hey Wealth Wavers! Welcome back to Wealth Waveview, your one-stop channel for all things money, investment, and financial freedom. Have you heard the big news? The SEC just approved 8 Ethereum ETFs, and today we're diving into what that means for you. Can you make money from it? Let's find out. Ethereum, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency, has been on a roller coaster ride lately. The news about SEC's approval of Ethereum ETFs has caused a 29% surge in its price over just a week. That's huge. But what exactly are these Ethereum ETFs? Let's break it down. Ethereum spot ETFs are exchange-traded funds that track the current price of Ethereum. Think of it like this: instead of buying Ethereum directly, you buy a share in an ETF that mirrors Ethereum's price. It's like owning a sliver of Ethereum without actually having to deal with digital wallets or sketchy exchanges. Now, you might be wondering why invest in an Ethereum ETF instead of just buying Ethereum directly? It's simple: convenience and reduced risk. Setting up a crypto wallet can be a hassle, especially if you're new to the digital world. Plus, Ethereum's high price can make it out of reach for many investors. Crypto ETFs provide an easier pathway into the world of crypto investment, especially for the average investor. You don't have to worry about the technicalities, but you still get exposure to the ups and downs of Ethereum. It's safer and less cumbersome. One of the biggest benefits of these ETFs is diversification. Your money isn't just in one asset, it's spread out across different areas. This can help mitigate some of the risks associated with investing in a single cryptocurrency. A well-diversified portfolio often performs better in the long run. Imagine you're an investor who wants a slice of the crypto pie but doesn't want to dive in headfirst. ETFs can offer a middle ground, allowing someone else to manage your crypto investments. This means you've got experts handling your money, hopefully making your investment journey smoother. But herein lies the catch: while ETFs can reduce risk, they don't eliminate it. According to Brian Deshell, a cryptocurrency trader and analyst, investors may not profit as much as those who take the plunge and buy Ethereum directly. Crypto ETFs still come with risks of their own. Their value is affected not just by the cryptocurrency they track but also by market volatility. Prices can swing up or down, influenced by various factors. If a fund has a large share of the market, it can even amplify these price movements, adding to your risk. Brian also notes that while the approval of these ETFs is a milestone, it doesn't guarantee enormous returns. In fact, the track record for existing Bitcoin ETFs has shown that they haven't always delivered the huge profits some investors hoped for. Another point to consider is who benefits the most. Experts agree that bigger investors and institutions are likely to profit more from these financial products. This isn't to say that individual investors won't benefit, but the scales often tip in favor of the big players. That said, the introduction of Ethereum ETFs is undoubtedly good for mainstream acceptance. It's a step towards integrating cryptocurrencies into traditional financial markets, which is a win for the crypto world as a whole. So, should you buy in? If you're new to crypto, ETFs might be a safer and less stressful entry point. But if you're aiming for those big, quick gains, buying Ethereum directly might be more your speed. With great risk comes potentially great reward, but also the possibility of significant loss. Newbie or seasoned investor, the key is to know what you're getting into. Do your homework, understand the risks, and then decide what's best for your financial goals. After all, your money deserves to be handled with care and thought. Our survey of retail investors in the UAE showed that over 74% believe the prospect of an Ethereum ETF will influence their decision about managing their current crypto holdings. It goes to show that a lot of people are optimistic about these products. As a recap, the key perks of crypto ETFs include low cost of ownership, diversification of your investments, and the advantage of having skilled managers oversee your portfolio. This can save you not just money, but time and stress too. Think about it: avoiding hefty transaction fees, slashing network charges, and handing off security concerns to your ETF provider can ease a lot of your investment anxiety. But again, it's not a foolproof solution. Even with all these advantages, let's not forget the reality of the market. ETFs can amplify volatility. If the fund holds a large chunk of the market, it can move prices dramatically, adding layers of risk that you need to be comfortable with. Brody Dunn, an investment manager, advises that while ETFs are a positive addition, they need to be approached cautiously. He mentions that some investors might mistakenly think ETFs are a safe bet without doing the necessary due diligence. That's a pitfall you definitely want to avoid. Always remember, investing requires effort and careful consideration. Whether it's an ETF or direct cryptocurrency purchase, knowing what you're getting into can make all the difference. So, what's the bottom line here? If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with high-risk, high-reward assets and don't want the hassle of actively managing your investments, crypto ETFs could be a suitable alternative. But go in with your eyes wide open, know the risks, and plan accordingly. Whether you choose the ETF route or decide to jump directly into buying Ethereum, make sure you have a solid grasp of your risk tolerance and long-term goals. The world of cryptocurrency can be thrilling but also comes with its share of roller coaster moments. Alright, wealth waivers, that's it for today's deep dive. Do you think Ethereum ETFs are a good addition to your investment portfolio? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Wealth Wave You for more tips on maximizing your financial potential. We're here to help you ride that wave to wealth. We're working tirelessly to bring you the best tips and insights on how to grow your wealth. Your support helps us improve our content, so we truly appreciate any feedback or suggestions you have. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.